What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pedro here once more. I'm currently at this amazing place. Look at all of the camera accessories behind me. This is the camera tech source. Trust me. Kingston. What? Aperture is located, ain't it? This is the Aperture? Ugly Park Road. Trust me. You can get all the camera things right here. So today I have on the table, this is a Sony FX3 and I'll be building it out. But I realize I see a lot of people building out the Sony FX3 with this top angle, but like how they build it out is just not really, it doesn't look pleasing to me. And I'm like, there's no monitor mount, and I'm like, how do you build out a rig with the monitor mount at the side? It does look so weird. So I'm going to show you guys how I build out my FX3 minimalistic camera rig. So the first thing that I use is the cage, the camera cage itself. So this is also from SmallRig. Well, all of the accessories that I have right here is from SmallRig, except for two. Yeah, except for two. Okay, so firstly, let me put the cage in. All right. This is a very minimalistic rig, very small. And my previous rig build that I built before, yo, I hate how these screws just keep on just fall out every minute. So you have to make sure it's neatly tucked in. What do you call this? This is a multi-purpose tool. Yep. It is a multi-purpose tool from SmallRig, but you also can get it here at Camera Tech Source. Trust me. Okay, let me just tighten this a bit. All right. So I have the cage on, as you can see. So let me mount the top angle on it. So slide on, because my previous rig I wasn't using this top angle. I was using a top angle from SmallRig, but I like how this top angle actually feels, to be honest. But as you can see, this top angle is a bit too short, but I have the solution. Tighten that and tighten. Okay. So as you can see, the top angle is way too short. So when you're holding on to the top angle, it's like that's not the vibe that I'm going for. But let me put the lens on. Okay, lens snugged on, and based on the type of lens, like, yo, this is so front heavy, so all of this just unnecessary. And let me put this right here. So let me mount this monitor clamp from SmallRig. Comes with the cage, which is also really good. Let's screw this on right here. Screws in on the front. Wow, damn. Okay, nice and snugged on. So the next thing that I want to mount is the top angle, the key accessories for this top angle for the FX3 and also FX30. So this specific item right here, I'll put up the name, the name and or the number for it. So this is what I use to mount the Atmos Ninja V to the top angle. So let me show you how you mount it on. And then this is another key element, right? And another key element, and the final key element. We're going to mount the XLR handle first. So let me mount the XLR handle first. Right. Extension tube. So these screw. One goes right here. One screw right there, and then I put another screw right here. Cool. Then tighten. Nice and snugged. Right. So have the grip right here. So then the base part for the extension tube. Cool. So in order for you to mount this on, you have to actually put the screw inside here and screw it up, then screw it in. All right. Yes, you have a nice like extension right here, so nice and snugged. Better grip. That's what she said. Okay, so now for me, this is a monitor mount. To be honest, this is a monitor mount, so it actually goes onto the extension tube, the extension handle. So it is nice and snug right there. Then I'll just screw this down so it doesn't move or shift, anything like that. Tighten, tight, and nice and tight. Okay, and this is the monitor mount itself. Cool. So I'm actually going to mount it right here. You can come. Tell him you can come. We basically done the video. Oh yeah, look, see me. So this is where I screw it on. I'll screw it on and then screwed on, nice and tight. Just tighten it a little bit more and a little bit more. Okay, the extension, yeah. So that's it for this part. So let me mount on the rest of the smaller stuff them. So this is where you're going to mount, well, this is where you're going to put the HDMI cable. This is the HDMI cable clamp, HDMI clamp. Loosen. In right there. Then this is the Atmos Ninja V, which I'm going to put up here. Loosen it a bit. So just tighten this down. And run the cable straight to it. The HMI is also from Small Rig as well, and that's right there. And the final piece of the puzzle, the battery. And yeah, you have yourself a fully minimalistic camera rig for the Sony FX3 or the Sony FX30. Yeah, so I already have on my ND filter as well, right? But I use this thing, where is it from? KNF concept, yeah, to just cover the ND filter, and that's it. Yeah.